Simple trick for a cover. See the rest of our tutorial. Select a rectangle and draw it completely on your slide. Then add a corner rectangle. Draw it and put its size in 2 by 2. Put it here. Duplicate it as many as time that you see in this video. Select all of them and move them. Then move them by Ctrl A. Go to Shape Format and select on Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Then right-click on your shape. Go to the Format Shape. Go to Gradient and select Gradient as top, a color that you want. Put the line on No Outline. It's time for adding your picture. Select your picture. Go to the picture format. Go to the here and arrange. Select send it to back and move the picture and put it in a way that you want. Now for last step, add your text. See what's happened? Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.